That's when the power cut out. Great. I lit some candles and sat down with my phone. Was playing something to kill time when I heard it. A soft creaking sound from the attic. Like slow footsteps. Not stomping, just moving. Suddenly I remembered Buddy's barking. Maybe someone did get in, jumped over the fence. I grabbed a kitchen hatchet just in case. Yeah, it's a small house, not much worth stealing, but you never know who's desperate. I stepped outside quietly, trying not to crunch the snow. No tracks. None. Climbed up to the attic entrance. Still nothing. The attic door was latched from the outside. Weird. I unhooked it and shined my flashlight inside. Empty. Not a soul. But I know I heard someone walking. Smoked a cigarette while standing there, trying to make sense of it. Maybe I imagined it. Went back down. Still no power. House was dead silent.